Hi subscribers, hope you are doing well. So today in this video I'm going to answer you one of the question that's been asked by one of our subscribers. So the question is, can I say that I do not need to build JMeter scripts and Selenium scripts are enough to do the performance testing? So his question mainly is again this question has come out of our JMeter Selenium WebDriver integration. So his main question is, why do I need to use JMeter when I can do the emulation in Selenium? So here's the answer. So the first thing is the purpose of Selenium script, and Selenium is designed primarily for functional testing of web applications. As we all know, they are used for automation testing where the focus is mainly on the user interface and user experience. And we know that Selenium can be used to simulate multiple users by running scripts in parallel, but it is not optimized for doing load testing or for measuring system performance under stress, because Selenium stress tests are resource intensive and they may not accurately give you the real world load. And when it comes to the JMeter scripts, yes, the JMeter are developed only for the objective is mainly to capture the performance. So the objective of both these tools are quite different. And when it comes to Selenium, that is being alone, that's being a standalone one. So if your goal is to analyze the UI part, the UI actions with very few users, you can very well use the Selenium. But again, my point is, if you want to test the UI, right, and with very few actions and with very few users, yes, you can very well go ahead. When I say few users, you can test it with a single user, or like less than 5 or 10 users. Selenium might suffice. But for a comprehensive testing, especially for backend stress test or for high concurrency, Selenium will not be adequate. So for a server-side performance testing, for a load testing, and for stress testing, yes, you need JMeter for validating the front-end performance. That is how quickly a page renders after a button click. So to identify or to understand that, yes, you can very well use the Selenium. So yeah, the point here is you can use Selenium for your performance testing, but Selenium is resource intensive, and the next thing is Selenium will take too much of resources when it comes to the load testing. So you can integrate that with JMeter to do a full load test. So just understand that Selenium is not made for doing the performance testing. So the main logic or the main motto behind performance testing are, again, with any actions, use the right tools. If you're not using the right tools, you're going to make a blunder. So please make sure you're using the right tools for the right actions, and then you get the right results. So with that, I come to an end of this video. We'll meet in another video. Until then, it's bye bye from us, and come and your favorite Little Sla YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.